position of India in terms of population? Any guesses? India is the second most populated country in the world. Do you know about 7.5 million people in South Africa live with HIV? This is an alarming fact for us. The above factors indicate the lack of knowledge in reproductive health and the lack of sex education in our society. And how can we solve this problem? Are there any action plans and programs initiated in India to solve this? We can find the answers to all those questions together. What do you understand by the term reproductive health? Simply, we can define the term reproductive health as the healthy reproductive organs with normal function. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health refers to complete well-being concerning all aspects of reproduction like physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Now that we have understood the term reproductive health, let's take a close look at its importance, methods taken to achieve it, related problems and strategies. In 1951, family planning programs initiated in India to achieve total reproductive health in the society. Family planning is central to gender equality and women's empowerment, and it is a key factor in reducing poverty. Do you know reproductive and child health care programs? These are introduced to create awareness among people about various reproduction-related aspects and in building a reproductive healthy society by providing facilities and support. To maintain one's sexual and reproductive health, people need to get accurate information and they should be aware of the self-effective and acceptable contraceptive methods. They must be educated and empowered to protect themselves from sexually transmitted infection. Here are some steps to achieve reproductive health. Use of audio-visual and media print to create awareness among the young generation. Young adults and children must be provided with correct information by the responsible adults, teachers, parents, and close relatives and friends, along with open dialogues to make them aware of reproductive health. Sex education need to be introduced in schools and colleges. Awareness must be created about sexually transmitted diseases. People must be made aware of the problems related to the population explosion, sex-related crimes, and sex abuse. Complete ban on fetal sex determination through amniocentesis. Do you know what is amniocentesis and why it is banned in India? In amniocentesis, a small sample of the amniotic fluid is collected from the uterus. It contains fetal cells and proteins. So, it is used to determine the sex and genetic disorders of the fetus. And do you know one thing? Amniocentesis is banned in India because people use this procedure for sex determination and it leads to increased female feticide. After all that information, what are the indicators of a reproductive healthy society? Smaller families, early determination and cure for STDs, overall increased medical facilities, all of these are indicators of reproductively healthy society. Now let's discuss the second aspect of reproductive health, population explosion and its causes. An exponential increase in the size of human population within a small time period is called population explosion. Increased health facilities and better living conditions leads to uncontrolled population growth. On the other hand, population stabilization refers to the static population size over a definite period. Now let's investigate the causes of the population explosion. The rapid decrease in the death rate, the rapid decrease in the maternal mortality rate, the rapid decrease in the infant mortality rate, the increase in the period of life expectancy, the increase in the number of people belonging to the reproductive age are some causes of population explosion. And how can we control the population? Here are some methods. Promoting smaller families, promoting the use of contraceptive methods, increase the legal age for marriage, appreciative measures towards couples with smaller families. These methods helps to control the population size. Are you familiar with the term contraceptive methods? Did you think it is useful for our society? Let's uncover some common contraceptive methods in the next video. Now let's recap what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.